you're looking at me. Please join me cook. We are about to travel to the village, so we want to go and pay some of the final burial rites for my mom. Like Iyipuakwa, that's what we are calling it. Like to remove clothes. This is 6 months after her burial. So we want to go and do some traditional rite. Just join me, enjoy the vlog, okay? So this is me cooking. Okay, I came to meet my sister-in-law. You know, in this our Igbo tradition, it is my sister-in-law now that is the owner of this house. Me, I'm a visitor. But the owner of the house did not know all her rights. She doesn't even know her rights. She doesn't know that she would have finished cooking. So I came, I met her cooking. I said, okay, let me help. As Nwada, first daughter. Even on a tradition, Igbo na-cheat ụmụ nwanyị. Abịa baa ụmụada, nwekwa uru ịbara. They will give you that big name, Nnukwu Nwada. You think you are a human being in the family. You are not. So, the day that I married was the day my brother took over my room, took over my bed and everything. I'm gonna come back at the story for bed. Took over my bed or my room, my own room that my father gave me. That was the end because I married. So that you know that this Nwada, let me remain small now. I want to put on top of the rice. This Nwada is mouth. It's only for mouth. Look, Nwada. Enjoy with me. Babe, see this onion where they put on top. Fly not to put on the because it will spoil the food. So I'm not supposed to touch them. Anyway, so I don't know. Let me put this thing in such a way that it can be filming everything that I'm doing. Let it film me and everything I'm doing. Okay. So. Please tell them to bring ginger for me now. Name ginger. More ginger like this for months. They go get she put no ginger at the cup. I've seen all. Say what you know. Can't a lot of ginger. Can you make pass ginger car wear? Call chemical ne shita ginger. No, no, I take it. This shit. And this ginger don't dry you. You come out the back hand and wahala. Nothing you go see. I have to wash and put them like that. I make those people where they all utterly neat. No come here, come they say you put ginger. With me, oh. Welcome. Let's test run our life. That's it. Any of them can bring water. I'm just ready. No, man. I'm just ready. But I am in here. I'll go get a question. See my sister-in-law's mother, her sweet mother. This woman is 1 in a million. This woman is 1 in a million. Oh, see my sister-in-law is only food she knows. See her here. Food. See her. She's eating okra soup. See my sister-in-law's mother. A mother like no other. Sweet mother. This fire is no good. Hey, which year are we going to finish this thing? Let the tin tomato must go. No, I know they use tin first. Every person gets in style. And they first use fresh. my style. I dey first use fresh. Yeah. This fire draw can see chop. Fire draw. Okwa draw can see chop. Yeah. I'm telling you, it's not as hot as I like it. I don't know, it's just delaying me. Welcome. Please like the live for us, so like the live so that YouTube can be sending in more people. This one that we are cooking here is soup, and the soup we are cooking is raw soup. You see this, my sister-in-law, she's professional in soup. If you're looking for who will cook soup for you, I will advise you to employ her. Yeah, she's soup professional. And she's a caterer. She's a caterer. Just I don't know whether she's charging small. In a charge, you're better go. Okay, that one don't day again. I don't know how others cook their own. This is how cook their own. Of course, they didn't me have. But we still have pepper. Yes. Though I drank the pepper we are using for this one is dry. Pepper me and a goose in a pepper. Oh, guy named Obaram, nothing goes to waste. Don't notice them. You and Auntie Chiso. People don't use to waste something. What is Auntie Omi? Hey! I'm not going to see you. The drink will be on the glass. Bring me water. Bring me pure water. No, this fire will not cook this jollof rice for me. It cannot cook this jollof rice for me. It will just spoil it, like the jollof rice will just spoil. We have to look for firewood. I want to use to be even mommy or something you take firewood cook and bigger pot. Another secret, mommy just onyere me those spice. Can't Maggie and never. See, one secret about this thing, when you are frying this tomato, yeah, you put your spice inside while frying so that the ingredients will start working from there. I said you bring soup. No, how about 10 minutes? Even like they know I'm thirsty. I'm very thirsty. No. You should have put it. I'll come and fetch it. Baby, I who's on the rice. Baby, all right. Yeah, what's it for that? Babe. What's it for new soup? I know how you take. I know they use spice. Mother put like this, huh? Maybe not. It's too much. No, don't worry. Now, when are they fry tomato? Well, you could remove from where you do it. No worry. Now, that's how they put my spice so that it will enter where we. Do they use full curry like this? This you give the try back.
I am a vlog now.
How many paint are you? I don't know. And when we finish frying together, we'll come share it.
I believe you can use it because I plan for it.
So I can use all
All of them. If you want, let me know how you get started.
I don't even like too much of spice.
This one is party food.
This is party jollof rice.
Party jollof rice.
So
We should cook spice because it's party jollof rice. Are you share spice?
I don't start. I don't know that because I did outside.
What is the love price? When they
Spice is needed in the use better one. I only jiri and white dog.
I don't carry that on vlog. But I don't even go carry.
Which cash? Mommy, clean it and
I don't think I can go on doing it.
Who is that? Which that?
I one problem I like them.
Check us, remove.
Party or not, that one that I cook in the village, that one is.
Give on the post and enemy way.
I'm about to do
It's everything rum spice now. I know they like all the spice for.
Check us, remove. Sounds like a market.
After cooking like this, we'll be traveling today. Oh.
What a man do shoe make I does menu. I was not sure ever. I couldn't outside here, take it doesn't.
Only if you chop this thing, like you still chop today.
Jenna,
I mean, I have
My best food and I'm super.
I come with what I 200.
On the way for better food.
200 doesn't win. What I 200 like it better.
Ọ bụrụ na ezigbo ọkụ emiti because ọ ga-dry igodo ọfụma.
Only should I say, but I tell you, because all you do rest party 100 times. You can't master.
Ebe she the rice. Ebe unu she the rice.
I am been also, I know.
I check it.
Also, Lota.
Oteche.
Akuma, I can see I'm also Lota. I know what about she is.
Ọ ga-ede. Ihe anyị emepụ na right, this thing be ready now, eh? I can go to pot awụnye ya mmiri. Ọ ga-agba ọfụma before eti that rice. That's the only way this rice is be safe. If not, I'm not here. No go chop am. So what you are saying is that the fire is not hot.
Like it's
So
one
because
person.
the fire is not that hot, we are making arrangements for firewood.
Okay, and they queen in neighbor.
We are making arrangements for firewood. So because the fire is not that hot, we must allow the thing to be very hot. No, before na 8 people now, they reduce. You go reduce to 4, you go reduce to 1, 0. But if you keep them engaged, telling them what you are doing and everything, they're seeing your face. Your conversation, more people will be coming. But if you're not talking,
Sometimes to help you.
how do you want people to money na sweet, but now na sweet? How do you want people to understand what you're saying?
People see on TikTok. We don't hear that comment here. We don't want to hear that comment.
Oh, okay, my own Yamara.
Onye amara asụ Igbo na-asụ Igbo. Ọ na-awụkwala nwa ọ ma-asụ. Ọ ma-asụ Awụsa. O toro na Awụsa mana ọ maghị asụ Awụsa.
Only people when not English.
Ebe ị na-asụ English abụ asụsụ nna gị ka ọ bụ asụsụ nne gị.
English I call the good. Ever call the good.
Is it your father's language or your mother's language?
They are reducing.
One of our architects, we have professor. You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be in the radio station. I want to say, one boy. Okay, she told me.
Easier.
I'm talking about my voice.
I'm sorry, you can teach her yan. Unu etichara kansa ebe a o. Mommy, try it on here.
I just buy it.
If I say make una no put this thing now, you go do like
No, not last class. Not that I want you to put that.
no, anyhow I put jollof rice. Because we don't sabi, don't sabi. You must sweet.
I used to go there.
You don't get crayfish. You want a crayfish?
Very long. I'll put on there to get you a good billion. Be fast, be fast.
I didn't take it.
I'm not going to have a
You want a crayfish, she rice. No, rice, so I don't need it. Yam crayfish can share the rice. Why you not see crayfish not the rice? Huh? Because you're getting crayfish can see the rice. Yam crayfish will let you. You will take crayfish.
That one for
Rice, so you know, man, you people should come and eat meat. Oh.
you are coming, bring where are you? Let's meet you.
Come and eat meat.
My face is not sure.
Okay, it's not going. Come and eat meat. Oh.
Oh, no, no, content. So I am not one from.
Well, yes, you're not one person. You have 13 people watching.
Hello?
People should come and eat. Oh.
Which one?
Give me now, let me eat.
Okay.
Hello? Is that roller?
Take now. Open your mouth now.
You know who they won't give them?
You know, Bala,
Open your mouth now. May do me emotional blackmail because I
Ah,
don't do
no,
like
not
they
allowed,
fit come and touch up.
Table Saturday.
Don't even plan to give them.
Can you people come outside and eat this thing? Anyway, there's love in sharing. There's love in sharing.
How far? Are you keeping track of our
I tomorrow it's all.
I'm coming the other ones.
In fact, I didn't need the last yet.
Oh, yeah, no, she is. See the man not see some. Gig Abatala Gabia. In my hand. What's on my course?
Sahala.
What's
I
on
am
my
a
course?
chicken. They are fine. Firewood because this fire is not it.
Is it that there is no gas or it's on the gas? These are just not for
No, this the fire. This thing is set.
The guy was in here.
The burner is not good.
Hey,
Sure, I said it since now that the burner is not good now. It's bringing out colored smoke now. It's not doing flavor. It's never the burner. It's not bringing out blue flavor.
and that's why he's staining the pot. That's why he's staining the pot.
It's not bringing out blue flame.
Thank you. Check now.
Please, try on it. Well done.
We are good.
Oh, you go for there now.
I beg you, man, no stress yourself. So you guys never know this of people, they full of mouth. Yeah, because you're young girl, but you can just made this but you see that in free I think somebody trying to be me.
And I'm not so me yeah that is free. Mommy go maybe for who could you shwe?
Now.
Next
time, carry some call and take to any other caterer to cook for you. You call somebody to cook for you.
Mama's on the caterer that table fish and the rice.
Yeah, they put in the spice. I'm going to spice.
I don't like that.
Who put spice and in the cancer?
That's why
Who put chaya?
don't mind.
Now we then have to secret. You go take the fish price, you mean
The fish is not 10,000.
Hi. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Look at the spice. Look at the spice.
Too many spices down here. I work with that set.
Spice. I go do.
don't buy
Oh, well, how many are with it? Who will you check out? We ain't got to. Oh, no, he can share it. The bed, you check and quiet.
Open your one.
No,
people don't put it.
Oh, your chore. Oh, see, now this. Jay with chicken fish. Yeah, get one man secret fish now.
You're good in that. I can't be
Somebody got chicken flavor, kid, I like it.
Yeah,
I like it, that one.
that bag we took to church here. Bring my pot. Okay, me tell him. But you will see that bag. You tell us from our evangel. Bring my pot. It's done. Money back, get up fine. Only come and carry and grind the quantity naturally. More in call all on no. Ah. You must select the free grant. So just use for one plate. You carry then select. Use that plate. Man, see the face. Should I get good for fish? Oh, it's better. I've got more than that. See.
Big one. Wetin dey come me for? No be send me. Na 13.5 I dey sell my spaghetti. I no wan make any person tell me say make I dey eat. I no fit. Hello? Good morning, sir. How far? 445,000. Na 13.5 I dey sell o. Yes, now wetin I dey sell quantity price 113.7, but I never know sha. Na 13.5 I dey sell for now. Make I give you 13.4 now. Make it all the kwaka. Mba, mama 13.4. I know now. I never even reduce for anybody before. All right. 63 833 415. Yes, sir. 39. Yes, sir. for company now. Now 13 I go buy am. Do you understand? That's why I'm looking at selling it 13.5. Even if he come back, I fit sell 13.6. Cause not be 100 naira to take the sell pasta. I go come fit play salad. All right. No problem. I know to need the bigger.
Achalu, go show them how you do it.
This one where I dey buy now, no be that thing wey I to sell. Can you answer?
I want to make a mention of no. I don't know any
Yeah, I'm actually no. Let's see how my game is in and yeah, they honey she's. You got to munu, one sort. Even bigger on your car, can be zero hand check. Thirteen from yeah, maybe.
It's not your fish. The thing can use it in the
Let's do not wickedness, choir.
I told them come see everything. We came on Muzano. I now I talk or total. I don't remember any.
Oh no, anti-marine tea. This salt that anti-marine put I've spoiled my jollof rice.
Oh, Lamo.
I'm sorry, the man.
Pass it on more. You know, see how I pay for market. Everything I will use.
Let me understand this of this one.
How you do this?
Oh, price is one never put kapanko. Price one never put kapanko. That means na spice you know they chop now. You dey put this thing for the one way they cook for now. I dey put jollof rice for our occasion. I no dey even put all this thing. The thing why they put na ginger, garlic. Oh, so I even buy water.
Butter when you go put for top.
Eh?
Butter when you go put for top of the rice.
When you don't cook and cook, so that you go get one. More oil. Now where the make I dey put in a spice so.
That's what you do now. You say good for it. Let me see my guy. She like a girl for the yard. I guess it's very well.
I think say they don't bring this thing. Firewood. Or firewood for us.
I'm a bota manu so that I will try. I'm a bota a manu so
Now all you say for you promise to give me that time. Say my promise.
what you do, I will give you. Don't be small, you will give
So you shock me. See how
Can I manage it?
Then I tell am see Maggie. Now that you pop am on me car. You know tell am so.
Not you be like
I
that.
don't want trouble oh. Jesus. Now that they give invite, I be no para.
Now now, don't be brother.
Una no see this.
Now, what was all the like?
Na me supposed to give advice. I mean, na her husband.
My husband now.
But now you are my husband. Now you be brother.
Her only sister. Now una no go tell her. Una no dey do well o.
What was all the argument?
Una no dey do well, eh?
Anja.
Ah, my chicha. My chicha, can I share my dinner price? Party jollof. Abeg, come fill this thing small. We'll put am for. Bring. Ah, na the phone. Why?
There's another phone. Your iPhone.
Eee. 5 people watching. Let them see the parts. This thing is ready to carry water. It has dried. It has finished drying. It's ready to carry water now. It's ready to carry water now. Oh, you the crayfish never ready. Village woman. Not the rich. They were women.
I say they go take fish to the rich. Then you know firewood they catch.
You go mix some. Pegere go there. Fast one go.
You don't buy the firewood. You buy the firewood. Wait, they say me you buy into the rich oh.
Couldn't walk. It's not
You couldn't walk up now.
My person where they
Come here, okay, no problem. Oh, you say if you don't good, you go return am.
and double on that. Wow. That's the one that I'm going to.
all the people they walk. What you go do?
I wouldn't tell you.
Say how if you don't walk, you say you go return am.
Oh yeah, now come pour water. Auntie Mama, pour water for this to make it a boy before you come.
Hello?
Plenty water here.
I don't mind.
Butere patara mmiri a, just pata the mmiri.
Okay,
I war ya wow.
I before.
Kono aboari before the firewood will come. Eh? What you
Don't put the crayfish again.
You dey delay with the fish now, like say they pound. I say they pound heaven. The water I go put for this thing determine I never taste rice and the put water. Determine how soft rice is. Okay. The rice never done at all. 6 months na carrot. Omo. Bring that crayfish here. It's okay now, only. What you the pound since?
Only that's what we have.
They cook crayfish for party.
It will not get sheer.
The thing sweet well.
I know.
You are here.
And if you want to
I
cook
get sheer
crayfish,
myself.
you don't put
And
it.
that's all here now.
Because it's here, okay, go off me. How that here, that's not enough me. According to that. Like syrup me. You get jollof rice when they burn for it. You don't see to them cook finish. Auntie Mama, mommy. Mama, this thing is very delicious. You get jollof rice when they cook finish. Where no they burn. Most of these parties jollof rice. Cover and I'm gonna buy.
All that thing. Go with it. Can start for the no go ya na.
I just say liver. I go add this thing water because of make it cover the rice.
I go still add water when you don't mix am with the rice. I go see the rice once.
Oh, you get it.
Ita she have back.
Yam na small you. Look at that you want.
I was there in cashier milk I get juice already.
Uncle be trying to really down the now for that uncle and my baby. Eba.
Huh?
Eba, what happened?
I beg supply Biggie 50 cartons of power pasta.
In my own sweet.
Even if this one no sweet now, you mean say you no sabi cook. Abeg o, you no dey do competition here. So if my own no sweet, make I dey cry. This one is hello. Ask him can let's get that thing for Bola PJ. But the new one, they were manly like that. Alright. Hello. Oh, look. You know how I just like how ya? Now let's try water put. I think I'm not for me. Carry on. Oh, you can't give me my crayfish. Leave that thing where they talk. Say, two crayfish last. Come pour my crayfish here for me. Come on, boy.
Oh, you have to do it.
See them crayfish never.
My
Spice. Now we want chop so. Want to eat spicy jollof rice? Hey, onye shiri ihe ọ tọka ma ọ nọ Maggi. Maggi ka eshi.
most of these parties they offer very
That's why to eat all those things. Spice agụbekwa na spice go there ebe Ben yeti rokwam. Antikwa. My sister in law kwadoro ma kwado.
Did crayfish?
Pour am there. Unye. Papa nke na-eme. Ọ ya na-agbada debe ha
Ọsha nọ 4.
ha company ha nọrọ ma ha nọrọ naanị ha hapụ ị na-asụ Igbo hapụ because ọ bụrụkwa nke na niile.
Okay, have you answered?
No, live na general audience. That's why they get followers where for life. Hey, you don't know how to carry back. We have not even put Maggi.
Okay, never put Maggi.
Maggi.
No, most of these spice.
We never put Maggi, but the thing they like waiting, they don't put Maggi and salt.
Now sitting in
but we don't put
Make
salt.
I add mine.
no add for. She will add it.
I will give her myself. The thing they like say Maggi down. Oh, now Maggi be this. Una pieces 1 packet.
You don't go finish use and give me mine.
Because choy I got banya, I get tea according to tests. And a test, because this thing is already very, very sweet.
I took a moon, man. You make it.
They can test good.
Test any and if it's already when we have not put money. All to go to like this.
Oh, spice.
Bring water and add it. Add water. Add water, bring water. Tie this one and keep for me. At the end, when I finish cooking, add water. Add water again. You know go fit carry am money. You no go carry am come down. Okay. This thing no get cover. Carry take off their corner and box so that firewood be as I'm asking not turn am too fire. Just leave am with the my sister-in-law say make I leave I go dey box. I've left you okay now box. Oh, spicy jollof rice.
They are not seeing the meat too.
Okay, you want them to see the meat. We are not using any serious meat here. This is a poor man survey. Poor man cooking. Managing our life. Yes, you don't want me to come watch me. That's what we concluded now, that we cook it once.
Gas I dey put it. Dey oil in the pot.
Yeah, you make by dinner outside. Now my wife is on.
But we must start the pot. We must start pot. Ask me must support. You must say, oh mama, now check at this thing. Yeah? Because you they do like say you know mommy not to put you inside those. Okay, your mom go wash everything.
They wait for things.
Now waiting I want I talk because mommy they talk the one we go there easy. She they talk like say she go feel wash her. Now make her they ask her we must support.
Me no way they diver. She don't even know. She beat around. Mommy not go without washing everything.
Okay.
Naturally, they even not tell mommy. If you want to go and next thing they happy. Mommy even stay back. Make she wash all these things. We'll go village.
Hey. Mommy they try you. Mommy jishike oh. Well done. Mana once in a while you can to zumike. No brundu bunu
Why
zumike.
she the race lazy woman? When she that time when she tell me, leave her go do her. Leave her.
Now that time she dey raise you as lazy woman. She no dey catch you.
Do I was washing my clothes. I entered school. She said, wash the one while the year go church. When she wash the one while the year go church.
I say my pikin teacher right say, how she take me for that time? Whether say whether he dey dirty or leave her. I said, no, this one won't make her dey punish herself. How they do her mark and stuff. Anyhow, when they wash on, they go wear her like that. That beg. I don't do that thing. I don't rest. Yeah?
I'm gonna try well.
Not only you now. Even my husband, mama, na so. You get the day where I tell my husband, say, make he come put hand for me, make we carry the time my mother-in-law did. She said, no, make she put hand for me. Now I come say, oh, say you fit do am, I can't leave her for 2 hours. I said, two of them, I'm gonna carry me, I won't rest. She can't laugh, say, mom, use herself. I said, Mamu, I'm going to you talk and see, this one is very handsome. Why you have that team, Aga? You see, leave it. God, my mother-in-law laughed tired. I thought she said, one thing she liked me, so I don't always stay talk and sit there for my mind. Not so only child, they know they want to make them suffer. Yeah,
But tomorrow is a big carry. The way that is what they carry. Big dots. Now my house. You will choose something to be like that. I know they carry me like that. Talk to me.
You know, say they grow for majorly for
And they
this.
carry me rich. You don't carry riches, so. But I go tell you that last. That's
Can't you do?
But you they carry.
I feel not tell you
Choose
that.
something to tell you.
It's not the kind that you do away with.
What do you mean?
I feel not tell you immediately, but I go
One
definitely
card
tell
up
you later.
One card up.
Now.
Ọkwa itiri omoni ya?
Mana ndị mere nke ha na fit.
Ọ ga-abụ omo. Ya bụ omo shigbe ha asatọ. Ife ọ tara ụmụ a na-asị m.
They even named the port to Igboke Sicilia.
They don't name pot now. Auntie Maggie name all her own M.O. Margaret Onwusi. She don't even write, it can't work property. But the woman lawyer. Right. Barrister.
Marisa, where did she write?
It's okay. I need the right before.
No, but it's good because this pot is very expensive. You know that one that I have I went to price it and I discovered that they are selling it around almost 300,000 now.
That's not what
That biggest size, Onyinye,
What?
I dey tell you, around 300,000.
How much you buy that your own?
I did not buy it though. It's my mommy's meeting people that came for wedding.
Okay, that you want to use it for you. Can we do
All those things is my mommy's meeting people. My mom is on a plenty meeting.
And that time it was
No, my
around
mom is very
it was around
social.
13,000. If they come for my wedding, what will they give me?
My mom is
Mom
very
is follow for
social.
meeting.
I don't follow for meeting.
So waiting go happen. But mom said don't need to
No.
join me. So waiting go happen to me.
You go first join, then you go tell me the good one what I go follow for.
Now you wait till they follow your footsteps. Why are they even the influencers say you know they do? But mom's not on me. And if the mom's not there meeting now, actually no, she can have her first right. And she no born girl. She go collect the right.
No, as you don't be like this now. So what's not the threat on me?
When I
No,
know
go
she
get
dey
contact. When I go people contribute, buy me land.
You never know the Igbo people. Igbo people where wise past heaven. They go come to our girl say they only wrote it in the constitution must be biological daughter.
Hey, now you go tell them say you want me for us.
They go say it must be biological daughter, not 1 year wine. They go bring proof. I take you on one day. Hey. When Igbo people won't bring money, you go know say they get sense. I
But that
swear.
about the rate, they don't go do that. But I want to fight that. Fight that with some of them back. I think more will be 81 naira.
I say make una people contribute, buy me land for my name.
Eh?
Yes, now.
The way where my father buy me land.
I don't understand.
No, now.
The way where my father and my mother buy me
Okay,
land.
when you buy in the village, I don't want to know
buy
about
me
village
land for
300,000.
village. At least I know they greedy.
What
Land
the?
3 million.
I'm over there and Bakume 300.
For my name, land 3 million.
I
for my
don't
name.
ever.
Ala garas no enemies na kwa Pakume. Pakume and it 1 million, 2 million ever.
Olugota.
Yes, now. Especially because of advent of
Politics.
palm plantation.
Okay.
And in Galazilon, when I was inquiring about land there, I heard it's up to 2 point something million. Because I was thinking I would see land of 300. Let me buy it like 10. And I saw the land, I can't even buy one. Yes. Why they call for Pakume, the typical village for your eye? Spicy jollof rice. Biko konye jere go take the thing now.
Maybe not the one. Take a blip with our going to our seat. Our guy in the chair. Use can attack. They're going to tell you how much. They're going to tell you how much.
Right. If I don't go carry this thing, come back here. They are delaying me. This thing I boiled already. I'm supposed to have turn rice inside. Eh? I want to see if I turn rice
I beg my
inside.
husband when you ever buy this thing. I'm sure go film now. Film goes with the red.
No, bring down this thing. Begin to do.
Oh, pardon me.
She's cooking soup here. I don't know whether you are seeing it. This woman, she's cook. Serious cook. Because that is one as a very young. Because I get the very own car. I get she can't get she.
I am actually you know because I got
I
one.
get channel Katie na moto.
I got one ever and direct in shop.
No, I can't now go again. I'm on the worry.
Oh, I got the same. And we just any food to our village. I better see you.
Okay, good suggestion. Man, you get cook cake. There's a very. Oh, my give here. Here for 5 minutes. Okay, that's how my sister-in-law is cooking her bono soup. Great cook. Come and learn. They had any more banana so that they will be learning. What's inside your bono? There's okwehe, there's what? There's nothing again. So you know they fry your bono for fire?
No. No, I dey fry sometimes, but not this kind one.
Oh, okay. Oh no, I go post. The thing I started drawing immediately. Why you know they fry this type one?
This one is fry.
Why? You need to be plain. Okay, if you fry, I go small.
Because no go draw. And I'm not sure whether they are going to be draw.
Okay.
That's one.
Okay.
Or whether you not sure whether it is draw.
Okay, because me, all my if I want to cook okra and ogbono soup, I go first fry the okra first before I put ogbono. No, some people they like fry ogbono before they put okra. Me, I go first fry my okra. Oh no, then we use the ogbono. Corn no use, but we use them again. Do you understand? You dey see the draw.
You know which one I don't know. Whatever. Oh, sorry.
Hey, charcoal ka ị na-echekwa. Kama ka nri reduce oyi a.
Ya bụrụ ka na-eshi obodo.
Onye dị ọdịnihu. Mọnụ ọma ngwụkwa mmiri na ihe m ga-eme. Mọnụ na ihe m ga-eme.
Ịma ite a ga-eri, sie mmiri ọkụ. Ite a nwunye ha anaghị ahụ na-erichi ya once. Aga m eju ya.
Were nnukwu ite a sie onye ọkụ.
Ọ meju ya.
Ọ gaghị
Eju ya
eji otu
mmiri ọkụ. Kedu ihe ọ bụ ahụ? Because ihe a ị ga-awụ ihe a once nta.
Ime achọrọ m ka dis na-agbọ agbọ. Achọrọ m ka ọ na-agbọ agbọ na kama ka wunyekwuo ya mmiri dịka ọ na-ekufu ya na-ekuru ya ekuru. Ka ọ kwara m ọwọta abịa. Na water dey there ba? Nice. Babe, na water be the man add more water here. If I reach the come, we carry plate fetch out from. Before we begin to. What do you think? Before we bring them down. We just woman bring them down, put hot water different. You know why I don't want water like that? I from corner about the rice. Okay. Because of the rice don't stay for ground. Do you understand? And the fire, I'm not even sure whether it go hot. Jesus, na ya forget the thing.
No, okay.
So pepper inside after putting ogbono. Pepper inside. One day I go try this restaurant. Now see whether I go see sweet. I'll see a cook by yourself. You dey cook my stuff. You go fire. But this time and this one, which one dey sweet pass? Pepper dey sweet. Come on. Ingredients wey get cook am. Which one sweet pass? Now I ask you. If you no want make you draw too much, you fry am. But this is public. I want it to be plain. I will still add water. Rinse. You are still using my use the Maggi now. If I need, I'll try it again. No, I don't even know how many Maggi. Look at Abakaliki bless see you. She don't live out. That's the way she just want the trend every time. She don't care whether her negative trend is a positive trend.